Hello and welcome to today's video. I'm going to be demonstrating the installation process of the PanzerGlass screen protector on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. After the application, I'll be giving an honest review of the phone's performance and also the appearance of the device with the glass shielding fitted. With this glass attached to your device, the contents of your phone will not be viewable to those around you, as when the phone is viewed from an angle, you will not be able to see the phone's contents. Within the box you will receive the glass protector itself, a cleaning set made up of one wet wipe, 2 microfiber cloths and a dust remover. Also within the box there is an instruction manual to help you along the way. However, I will be going through the installation process today in this video for you. I would recommend before applying the screen protector to remove your fingerprint if you use it to access your phone, for if in the event your device wasn't able to recognise your fingerprint when the glass has been applied. So, to get things started, I'm going to simply wipe over the screen using the wet wipe that has been provided. This will eliminate any dirt or grease that is on the display of the phone. Now, using the microfiber cloth, remove any excess liquid that may be left over from the wet wipe. When the screen is completely dry, take the dust removal sticker and repeatedly dab it across the phone's display to get rid of any unwanted dust, as it will be a hindrance when later applying the screen protector. To apply the glass to your phone, pull away tab number 1, which is labelled as back, and lower the PanzerGlass onto your device. Make sure you align the holes of the glass to the correct areas of the phone. This is the easiest way to ensure the glass has been fitted seamlessly to your screen. When you are happy with the way in which the glass is situated, press gently down in the middle of your screen. Then, carefully, press down on the edges of the screen to make sure the glass is fitted down firmly and secure. If at any point you hear a crack, carefully lift the protector from the edges and reapply using the same steps as before. The final step of the installation process is to remove the second tab, which is labelled front, and use the microfiber cloth to wipe over your device to eliminate any air bubbles which may have appeared. When first using the phone with the protector attached, I do notice the need to press a little harder in order to function the handset. This also affects the fingerprint access, as you also need to apply extra pressure for your device to recognise your finger. The privacy feature of this screen protector is very much a huge advantage. As you can see, when angling the device, you are unable to view the phone's content, which is a perfect element to confuse those who tend to be nosy when you are on your phone. It doesn't affect the brightness of your phone, meaning you do not have to blast your brightness up, which would result in your phone's battery being drained after only using it for a short duration of time. The curved glass fits immaculately onto the spectacular edge-to-edge display of your phone. This is important as you don't want any glass overhanging from your display, as this will make the protector vulnerable to becoming cracked and chipped. It has a thickness of 0.4mm, which offers the right balance of offering your display protection without being too bulky. The glass has an oleophobic coating, which repels any fingerprints or grease becoming attracted to your phone's precious screen, as you do not want to be watching your favourite video content through your fingerprints. The protector is constructed of chemically reinforced glass, abolishing any chance of your phone's display being vulnerable to scratching. Due to the film coating of this glass, your protector will not shatter, so if in the unfortunate event it was to undergo any damage, the glass will crack instead of shatter, which is much safer for when removing it from your phone. Overall, I feel this is definitely a high quality screen protector. The application process is extremely simple, especially for the results you receive post-application. The privacy factor is a strong benefit, most ideal for when watching or communicating when on public transport, as you don't want your phone's content visible to the world. If you have any questions regarding the PanzerGlass screen protector, please comment below. To purchase this product, check out the link in the description and the comments. For more content like what you have seen today, please hit our subscribe button. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.